Little shout out to Millwood Outdoors, who has asked me about the scrape quality of this blower. So to our left, over here, you can see the scrape quality of my blade. Now, by no means will I say that under these conditions is the Hiniker blade with the trip edges necessarily going to be the best at shaving material off this asphalt. But nevertheless, so to the left is the Hiniker scoop plow, and if you look directly behind me, the scrape quality of this the blade that's on the Norman 92-inch blower here, and it's considerably, you know, it's scraping considerably better, especially considering this is pretty well set up. This has been freezing down all day. You know, it is what it is. So, but thought it was worth pointing out. So, Millwood, if that's helpful, there you go.